Okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate the issue I'm having with my needle thread getting caught on the bobbin casing. And it's getting caught right about here where my finger is. Um, and it takes a couple stitches before it'll break free from that little corner right there. And it's causing some very loose stitches on the back. Today it's just continuing to sew, but yesterday it was just completely jamming up. And I've rethreaded my machine multiple times. I won't demonstrate that, but I've done it multiple times and I know it's threaded correctly up top. And I have the counterclockwise bobbin thread hooking through there to the back. So anyway, I'll try to show you what's happening, and hopefully you can tell me if it's something I'm doing or if the machine just needs to be serviced. So it might be a little awkward because I don't have the best camera set up. Needles down. And I won't be able to hold my back threads, but okay. And hopefully you could see that kind of where it's getting caught. Again, like there's kind of where. Again, it's doing something slightly different now. Yesterday it wasn't even breaking free. It was just getting caught at that little corner that I showed you. Yep. Hopefully you can help me. Thanks.